Hey guys, to begin this tutorial, here is a little illustration on how to place and fold your fabric to achieve the 180 flare. You want to fold the length of your fabric into two and then hold at the top and fold the length to create a triangle. So to achieve the waist radius for your 180 flare, you want to divide your waist circumference divided by 3.14. After placing your fabric on fold, just as I showed you in the illustration earlier, adding seam allowance. So now, whatever waist radius you got from your calculations, you want to mark that out now. Measuring from the top of this angle all around the waist area to create this curved arc. Now, measuring from our waistline, you want to measure the length of your skirt all around. This was me just making some calculations. Now you want to cut out your marking. And that's it for the half circle skirts. I really hope this video is useful. I hope you find it useful. Kindly like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.